many people is using it as an investment feature, like maybe they speculate like any other stock or any other financial asset that you can trade. I mean, but also many other people is using it to as a reserve of value, as a store of value, since access to hard currencies like the US dollar is not easy for us. So I would say that maybe that's probably the main use case for crypto, is having access to a stable coin which is backed by the US dollar.
Yeah, so kind of like a offshore bank account in some ways is how
Yeah.
people are utilizing crypto.
I mean, it's relatively easy to open an account in any crypto exchange, and you can use your local pesos and trade them for some stable coin of whatever you choose, and that didn't exist before. When you have an economy with high inflation and there is no easy access to, or maybe I should say, it's forbidden to purchase a hard currency like the US dollar, because that's how it is. Then people start looking for alternative ways of exchanging the pesos for the dollar in this case, because they don't want to lose more value. So there are different ways, but crypto, I think that's the main reason why it is still booming in our country, because it's so much easier for us to exchange the pesos for the US dollar.
So if you're using it typically as a store of value, then so you set up a wallet, you set up on an exchange, maybe you get Bealo or Lemon Wallet, right?
Yeah.
You get some Bitcoin in that wallet. Now, Bitcoin fees aren't necessarily low all the time relative to prices in Argentina. So what do you do then in terms of actually using it once you have it as a store of value? If you want to move it back, are you converting it back to pesos through a local exchange and then using those pesos to go buy goods and services? Kind of what is that use like?
There are different use cases. Probably, I mean, nobody wants to go back to pesos once after you sell your pesos. You probably don't want to go back. There are some exchanges that are actually giving you some rewards in I mean, like for instance, they can give you like a debit card where you convert your pesos to USDC, and then you can use a debit card in Argentina where you would spend your USDC, which are instantly converted into pesos at the exchange rate of whatever that day it is. So that's like a good use case, because you have your pesos which are in USD or USDC, but you can still use them.
Okay. So nobody's spending Bitcoin directly then?
No, not really.
So Bitcoin is kind of a store of value, and then it's a mechanism to get access to dollar-denominated stable tokens.